Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like content like this. It helps my channel out and I really appreciate it, and it's free. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any new content that I upload. Today is Wednesday, so that means it is the Brewed Beauties collab hosted by Makeup Addict 1992. Her name is Alex. Go on over there and check her out. You'll love her. And again, it's Makeup Addict 1992. And her name's Alex. And also in the collab is Char from Char's Fashion Nation. And the collab is every Wednesday at 1 o'clock. Sorry, I had to turn my phone off. And this is the last February collab. And today's subject is the birth flower of February, which is the violet. So, I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's Psychedelic Circus palette for my look. I believe that's the one that has the colors that I need. Hopefully I can get through this without having a coughing fit. I have had this upper respiratory illness since, I don't know, we're working on week 2 of it. I feel a lot better. I'm finally starting to rehydrate and be able to eat, and it was just miserable. No fever or anything, just a lot of upper respiratory symptoms that you don't want to hear about. And that's that. So, the violet. I wrote down some fun facts about violet, because you know me. I like to inform people like what we're doing. So, alright. The violet is one of the earliest blooming plants. In the spring, they have heart-shaped leaves and asymmetrical flowers that vary in colors. Many are violet, as the name suggests, but they can also be tricolored and bicolored and can vary from violet to blue, yellow, white, and cream. And then, of course, the green leaves. I think for my look today, I'm going to go with the more like Johnny Jump Up variety of violet. That's what grows wild around my house and in my yard. I also do get the little more like all violet colored with just the tiniest bit of yellow in the center. I get those on the back part of my yard, and then on the side part of my yard I get the violet, yellow, and they have white in them, and it's more like a cream color. Anyway, you can look it up at all the different color varieties of violet. I mean, they're very beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to do the violet. I'm going to do violet, green, and yellow. I'm going to try to make a look. So if you're seeing this, it means I succeeded. Alright, they're native to Europe and Asia. And there's more than 400 species of violets. Let me find a smaller. I think I'll go with that one. I'm going to use a brush like that. I'm going to go into the yellow in the Psychedelic Circus palette. You know what I didn't do? Hold on. I did not prime. I'm going to use the Milani eyeshadow primer. Anyway, what I say? 400. There's over 400 species of violets, and they're native to Europe and Asia. The violet's been thought to symbolize modesty, faithfulness, everlasting, love, innocence and remembrance. Alright, I'm going to set that down with some setting powder, just because I forgot to prime like an asshole. In Victorian age, to give a violet to someone meant to always be there for them. I love when stuff has like a history behind it and symbolism. Alright, that feels good. So, let's start that again, if I can find the brush that I just had in my hand. Alright, we are going in with Altered State, which is the yellow color, in the Jeffree Star Psychedelic Circus palette. We're going to go in the inner corner and up. I'm only going to do one eye on camera, and then I'll do the other eye and come back. Alright, that kind of looks like that yellow in the center of the violet flower. Yes. Alright, let me get a blending brush here. In Christianity, the violet symbolized Virgin Mary's humility. It is believed that the flowers blossomed when the angel Gabriel told Mary that Jesus would be her baby. Interesting stuff. Now, I just researched this on the internet, so anything that I say, take with a grain of salt. We can only rely on what, and hope that, the information put out there is true. Alright, I like that. Cool. I'm going to clean this brush with the quick clean. And I'm going to go into Joshua's tree for the center. I think I might just do an all matte look. I'm not sure yet. Joshua Tree is the lighter green color on the top row of Psychedelic Circus. So I'm going to pat it in up against the yellow. This is the green representative of the leaves. I love green. So, as you know, my channel is over 50 makeup with no rules. Makeup washes off. It's meant to be fun. And everybody ages. Fact of life. Can't avoid it. So we might as well just have fun, right? Alright, in Renaissance era, paintings of the Virgin Mary are often seen with baby Jesus in her arms with flowers, a symbol reference to her modesty. Ancient Greeks considered the violet a symbol of fertility and love. Alright, now we're going to go into the violet color in this palette, which is called Transcendence. I'm really liking this palette. The only color I've had a problem with is Dive Deep. Little chalky. But if you work with it a little bit, I mean, you can get it to work. You just have to build it. But it was a little patchy. It was very hard to blend. I mean, as I started using it, it got a little better. But if I was Jeffrey, I would reformulate just that color. There's just something off about it. Now, I haven't used every color in this palette. So I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of the 21 colors. And the that dive deep was the only one I had a problem with. Oh, now that's kind of fun, huh? I don't want that to, like, muddy out. Yeah, I don't know about this upper respiratory thing. It was wicked. It hit my whole house. Everybody got it. What do you guys think? I like that. Trying to bring that over without it wrecking. Like going in with the green and making it look weird. You know what I mean? All right. Ancient Greeks considered the violet a symbol of fertility and love. I'd said that. Both Greeks and Romans used the violet flower for herbal remedies, wine, funeral decoration, and to sweeten food. Persians used violets as a calming agent against anger and headaches. Interesting. I'm going back into that green Joshua tree. And just blend that in with the purple without it becoming some weird ass color. This is a very different look than what I would normally ever wear, but I kind of like it. I think I'm gonna go into, see, there's no light color here. I might just barely tap into that yellow altered state. Just wash it over. Okay, I can deal with that. Alright, let's see what we want to do for an eyeliner. My eyeliner brushes, I threw them in here. What do I want to do? Alright, let me pause you and search these eyeliners and I'll be right back. Okay, for you it's only been a second. For me it's been about 10 minutes. I was in the middle of doing this eyeliner and somebody pulled up beside my house and their truck backfired. And I mean, it scared the living bejesus out of me. And I almost poked my eye in. Anyway, I went with it's Avon True Color Starry Night Blue for my eyeliner. I did Lash It Out Loud mascara. And I did grab the Lilac You A Lot palette. And I used wake me just at, up at the top by my eyebrows that need done so badly. They're growing in so nicely. We're going to get them done soon. Alright, so now I'm just going to put on, I think I'm just going to do a lip gloss. What do you guys think? I think it came out pretty good. I mean, not colors I would normally wear, but it looks pretty cute. Alright, I'm going into e.l.f. Blush palette. It just says light, and it's the pink color. Just freshen that up a little bit. Give me some color to my face. The sickness has really took it out of me. Now, I don't feel bad, don't get me wrong. I've been feeling a lot better. It's just, my energy started coming back like 2 days ago. And at first, anytime I did anything, I would cough my guts up. So, today it's not like that. I'm feeling better. Where were we? We said that Persians use violets as calming agent against anger. In the Middle Ages, or in the Middle Age monks were said to call the violet the herb of Trinity because of the 3 primary colors of purple, yellow, and green. Most violets are edible and have certain medicinal properties. I know they have the same compound that's in aspirin. But before you go eating them, please do your research and talk to your doctor and whatever. I'm going to use Jeffree Star. I'm just going to do a lip gloss. I think this eye look is colorful enough to where a bold lip would be crazy. Alright, so I'm going in with Wizard's Glass. It's the gloss. Plus my lips are so dried out. I did a lip mask. And to be honest, it kind of made it worse. I don't know why I got so dehydrated with this sickness. Alright. I love the way that smells. Alright, well that's my look for today. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. Please go check out the other girls. Their channels will be linked in the description below. I love you guys. Stay positive. Be happy. Don't let this world stress you out to the max. And with that, I'm going to say goodbye. Bye.